Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make GIF from layers in Photoshop. I have this file that contains multiple layers. I am going to use these layers to create a GIF. I will teach you the whole process, so stay connected. First, select the layer. Go to the window menu, then the timeline. And click on this Create Video Timeline button. Then click on this Convert to Frame Animation button. Now go to these option lines and choose Make Frames from Layers. Click here to set the delay time. You can do it separately and combine it on all layers as well. For this, select the first layer, hold the Shift button and select the last layer. And set the delay time. Here is the play button, click on it to preview the animation. Here are the looping options. To save this as GIF, go to the File menu, Export and Save for Web, or press Alt plus Shift plus Control plus S. Here we have some options. You can preview it as well. Here again, we have looping options. Click on the Save button to save it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.